Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset private share on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then we go down and tap on private share. Next, tap on reset private share. Now, if you do not see this screen, and if you are from the private share screen, you tap on the settings icon. Then in here, tap on reset private share. Next, tap on reset. Now, so this will erase all your data, including your file sharing history and connections. It is just data relating to private share, not data on your actual phone. So after that, tap on the reset button. And that's it, you're done. You have successfully turned off private share. The next time you want to share files privately, you need to actually set up private share again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.